This market correction did kill my vibe. If you're still holding Nokia, you have diamond hands, so tune up. Let's talk about Nokia's future. But before we start, click that like button and subscribe to my channel. Help me out grow, guys. My diamond hands friends, I hope that you held Nokia through these tough times. As we all know, the whole situation on the market right now is something crazy. End of February and beginning of March been brutal for me, and Nokia will be the least of a problem for my holdings. Nokia shed like 10% for me in last couple weeks. And look at Neo shed like 20%, Tesla shed and not 20%, Apple shed 15%. So the whole market is tanking really bad. We know why. Everybody's waiting for a stimulus check, everybody is skeptical about quick economy recovers, and plus treasury bonds yield are rising. So it's a whole bunch of mess right there. There are no major news for Nokia. We're looking pretty good. Actually today, Friday, March, I don't even know what day it is. I think it's March 6th. So Nokia closed at $3.88 per share, which is a great result if we take in accounting this crazy stock market. It's volatile as hell. Couple weeks it's been trading lower and lower every single day. I think it's been enough for me. Come on guys, like I bet you guys lost a lot of money too, but guess what, I'm not a paper hand guy. I'm holding it. But to be honest, if you sold it, it's not a big deal. The game is real. Like if you hit a margin call, I would have sold it too. I kind of got lucky. I'm trading on my own money, so I didn't bother even talking about like margin calls because like I don't have to worry about it. I'm not gonna do a margin call on a cash account. The whole problem with Nokia is that it's probably gonna take a while for stocks start going up, but I do think that in coming weeks, if the stock market will be actually like more or less stable, or will hit another great bull run if government actually will hurry up and sign that stimulus bill that everybody been waiting for months now, I do see Nokia hitting $4 on easy next week again if market will be green, and then it probably will stay around $4. The good news are that Nokia's bottom price right now is around $4, give or take. Yes, it's under $4 right now, but like I said, the market correction is huge and every stock right now went down a lot, and the tech niche is actually hit the most. So the 388 price, it's actually still a greater price. It's a still good price range of trading for Nokia in comparison with 2020, for example. So I wouldn't worry about it. But again, if you sold it, well, good for you, I guess. You still have some money, right? That's not a big deal. If you're still holding it, you probably want to hold it. I'm not a financial advisor, but that's the rule. If you hold it, then hold it if you can afford to hold it. If you sold it because of margin calls and other reasons, whatever, we're not going to judge you. Paper hands. Just kidding, guys. So yeah, there are like not major news for Nokia. It's been kind of quiet. They just announced that by 2030 they're gonna have their emissions, so they're trying to be as green as possible through their hardware maintenance, through their software maintenance. They're gonna be more efficient in production and deliveries and etc. It's a good news for eco-friendly guys. On another hand, they do have a annual meeting on April 4th, I'm pretty sure. It's nothing crazy, will be there. And as far as I know, there are some meetings, or it's going to be a kind of call thing on March 18th, which they might announce that it will start paying dividends again. And this is kind of great news, because if you guys bought a Nokia on the higher point right during all this Wall Street craziness, maybe you want to keep it for dividends at least. Like I said, I do believe in Nokia. It's 5G niche company which kind of takes a huge chunk of that 5G niche, and with Huawei banning around Europe, everywhere around Europe, in North America, Nokia actually have a bigger market right now with other companies like Ericsson and etc. I actually made a video top 5 5G niche companies, so check that out if you're actually wondering what to invest in 5G niche. Like I said, if you guys hold it, you have diamond hands, join the club, comment down below how this week went for you guys. Did you actually lose a lot of money, and why didn't you sell your Nokia stock? Hopefully we'll see some green days this coming week and in March, because so far March been totally brutal for me and for the whole world. Something crazy is going on right now in the market. Everybody just decided to do another market correction in March. We had one in 2020, and what now? March, it's a huge correction month for something. Enough is enough. Green days are coming. That's it for today. Like I said, if some major news, I will definitely tell you guys. I will definitely will keep you posted. But right now, just click that like button and subscribe to my channel. Help me out grow, guys, and comment down below your opinion about Nokia stock and what happened to the market in general. Thank you guys. And by the way, I do answer all the comments, so comment down below. Take care.